Hey everybody, Blue here. In today's video, I'm just going to show you something that you can take leftovers, actually carry out leftovers. We're going to do pizza. This is actually one of my wife's favorite, like one of her favorite snacks that we freeze dry. It tastes like, almost like the combos that you buy, you know, the little pretzels with the filling inside, whatever. So what we did is we had a pizza night, obviously. Most people have a pizza night every once in a while. Just do it for the fun of it. And what you do is we got one of those take and bake pizzas that you take, you know, always home and cook it at home, because I was on my way home from work and just picked it up. We ate our pizza we wanted, and then we chopped it into like the little squares, and we just pre-froze it. So you have all these little bite-sized nuggets of pizza, and we ended up with 4 2-quart bags and like a half a gallon size bag full. So yeah, we just cut them into bite-sized pizza, or bite-sized pizza, bite-sized pieces, and then you just freeze dry them. You have this really crunchy freeze-dried snack. And we freeze-dried, I mean, all the pizza we've ever freeze-dried has freeze-dried. We've had pepperoni, we've had sausage, we've had barbecue with bacon and ham. So this is definitely something, if you have a freeze dryer and you're looking for something fun and you have leftover pizza. I've actually freeze-dried store-bought pizza also, like the cheap dollar pizza that you can get. Just give it a test run. So if you don't want to pre-freeze it, let it completely cool off, I suggest cutting it into these bite-sized pieces and go from there. Alright, I will get this finished traying up, get it in the freeze dryer, and I will bring you back. Stay with me. Alright everybody, so this was a quick short video of the freeze-dried pizza. This was the take and bake pizza. I just wanted to show you guys a, you know, just something to do with leftovers, especially if you have leftover pizza. These make a great snack just the way they are. I would not probably recommend trying to reconstitute them. Just eat them the way they are. So they are delicious just like this. Like I said earlier, this is my wife's one of her favorite snacks. So just an idea. So like right there's a piece of sausage. It got reconstituted. There's some black olives in there. So this again probably not going to be good for long-term food storage because of the fat content in the sausage and the pepperoni. But again, summer's coming up, going camping, hiking, whatever, you got a good little snack. So just wanted to share this guys with you, short video, give you some ideas. Alright everybody, have a good one. See you next time.